In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet in 2025, an essential skill for many of us navigating the era of remote work and virtual presentations. I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. So grab your notes and let's dive right in. First, let's head on over to the Google Meet platform. You can open up your favorite web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type in meet.google.com. This will bring you to Google's landing page for Google Meet where you manage your meetings. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so everything is ready and accessible. Next, look for the option that says New Meeting. You'll find it quite prominently on the screen once you're on the Google Meet homepage. Click on that and you'll see a few options for how you'd like to start your meeting. In this case, we'd select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect if you want to jump right into your virtual meeting room without any delay. Ideal for impromptu sessions or when you're running on a tight schedule. Once you're in the meeting, look towards the bottom of your meeting screen. There you'll notice a button labeled Present Now. This is your gateway to sharing your screen, so go ahead and click on it. When you choose this, you'll be prompted with options, usually asking whether you'd like to share your entire screen, a specific window, or just a particular tab. For presenting a PowerPoint, selecting the specific window where your presentation is open usually does the trick best. It keeps things neat and focused, preventing any unnecessary surprises by sharing unrelated content. After selecting the window with your PowerPoint, you'll find the Share button. Clicking on Share effectively starts your presentation. From this stage, everyone in your Google Meet session will be able to see your slides. Remember, practice makes perfect with these tools, so taking a few minutes to familiarize yourself with these options before your actual meeting can make your experience smoother. Now you're presenting your PowerPoint on Google Meet like a pro. It's that simple. Remember to keep an eye on your internet connection to ensure a seamless experience. And always check your settings and make sure all necessary permissions are granted ahead of time to avoid any hiccups. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you navigate your next virtual presentation with ease. Keep these instructions in mind and you'll find yourself becoming more efficient and confident when using Google Meet. Thank you for watching and happy presenting. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more tech tips. Until next time, take care and stay connected.